What does the number on a drill press mean? Whether it's a benchtop model, like the one behind me, or a huge floor model, like the one next to me, most drill presses will have a number in inches in the title. Well, that number represents the swing of the machine, which is from the column to center of the chuck times 2, and represents the maximum diameter of a workpiece that can be drilled dead center. The exact number is on the machine ID label and on the machine data sheet, and is called the max distance from spindle to column, which I've highlighted here. Now, it is common for folks to think that the number as the max drilling height, but it is actually the swing of the machine it's referring to. One final note is some machines feature a radial head design, meaning you can adjust them in or out, depending on your needs. That, of course, will change your swing capacity. So the number you see in the title and on the spec sheet is the maximum amount of swing possible. Grizzly has a huge selection of drill presses to choose from, and I'll put a link in the description below to check them out. Let us know in the comments below what drill press questions you might have, and thank you for watching, liking, and subscribing to Grizzly Industrial.